Hi guys, good morning everyone and welcome to Ashok IT. Today we are here to understand about our Java real-time project development training. This course is related to Java real-time project development training. This is our 31st batch for the Java real-time project development. So already we completed 29 real-time project batches, 30 JRTP also currently running, and this is our 31st JRTP batch, Java real-time project development training. So here mainly we are going to focus on project development with real-time standards, with real-time environment, with real-time use cases. So this project development we are going to learn by using below technology stack. So in this project development we are going to use Java plus Spring Boot plus microservices plus React.js plus AWS plus DevOps tools. So this is our technology stack in order to develop one real-time project. Java, Spring Boot, microservices, React.js, AWS Cloud, and DevOps tools. These are the most trending technologies in the full stack development. So in the full stack, for the front-end development currently in the market, React.js is having lot of demand. For the back-end development, we are using Spring Boot and microservices. For the infrastructure, database, we need database for the project, we need storage for the project, we need security, we need virtual machines for the project. All that project related infrastructure, we are going to set up in the AWS cloud. And to perform operations on the project, we are going to use DevOps tools like Maven, GitHub, SonarQube, Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes. Like this, by using all these latest technologies, we are going to learn how to develop one real-time project. Okay, fine. Now, coming to the today's session, today is our very first session related to this Java real-time project development. I can say today is the introduction part for this training, or we can say today is the induction program, or I can say today is the orientation session. So in the today's session, we are going to understand who is your trainer for this batch, who is your trainer for this batch, and the next one, who can attend this training, okay? And if you want to attend this training, what are the prerequisites, guys? So you should have some knowledge already, then only you are eligible to attend this training. So what are the prerequisites if you want to attend this Java real-time project development? And the next one, what is our course content and what is the roadmap? So what is our course content, what we are going to learn as part of this course, and what are the benefits if you attend this course? Benefits of attending this course. And at the end, if you are having any questions at the end of the session, we are going to discuss. You guys can interact with me every day at the end of the session for the doubts clarification. I hope I'm clear. Are you clear with the today's agenda? Are you guys clear with today's agenda? Today is the very first session. In the today's session, we are going to understand these details. So we are here to understand Java real-time project development training details. Okay, so this is Java real-time project development training we are going to do by using couple of technologies. What are the technologies we are using? Java with Spring Boot, microservices, React.js, AWS, and DevOps tools. Today is our day one, first session. In today's session, we are going to understand these details. Who is your trainer? Who can attend this course? What are the prerequisites? And what is our course content? Okay. And what are the benefits if you attend this course? And if you have any questions, then you can ask me directly. Every day, doubts clarification will be available at the end of the session. Next one. Coming to the first point, trainer details. Who is your trainer? So your trainer name is Ashok. That is me. My name is Ashok and I'm having total 12 years of experience in the IT industry. 12 plus years of working experience. Okay. And currently I'm working for one banking company from the Hyderabad location. It's a product based company. My name is Ashok. I'm having 12 plus years of working experience in the IT industry. Currently I'm working for product based banking company from Hyderabad location. And along with this 12 years of IT experience, I'm also having 9 plus years of experience in the software trainings. So from 2015 onwards, I'm into this trainings field. Okay, 9 plus years of experience in the software trainings, and I'm the founder of Ashok IT. Founder of Ashok IT started in 2020. So before 2020, 5 years I worked as a trainer for other organizations, and in 2020 COVID second wave, we started Ashok IT as an online platform. Then after 1 year, we started our physical office also. Currently, our office is located at Hyderabad, Amirpet. And coming to my skill set, what are the technologies that I can handle? I'm good with Java, full stack development, all the Java related technologies like core, advanced, Spring Boot, microservices, REST API, security, Hibernate, and all. Complete Java full stack part, I'm very good in that. I'm good with Linux operating system. I'm good with the AWS cloud platform, and I'm good with DevOps tools also. So this is the skill set of your trainer. Your trainer name is Ashok. He is having 12 years of experience in IT and 9 plus years of experience in the software trainings. And I'm the founder of this Ashok IT. In the year of 2020, I have started this Ashok IT. Okay, this is very quick introduction about your trainer. If you are clear with my point, if you are able to follow me, so please type something in the chat box. Please say that clear so that I can proceed further. So it's early morning, fresh mindset. Okay, cool weather. I hope you are able to concentrate properly on the session. Are you guys able to follow me? Are you guys able to follow me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. So now coming to the next part, who can attend this course? Okay, who can attend this course? Some people may think that, sir, I am having some career gap. Am I eligible to attend this training or not? Some people will say that, sir, I am fresher. Can I attend this course or not? Some people, sir, I am already having some working experience in the IT. Am I eligible for this course or not? Okay, now, so here for this course, freshers also eligible because you are going to learn full stack development with a project. Okay, full stack project based learning will be available. So that's why freshers also eligible in order to attend this training. Freshers also eligible in order to attend this training. So if you are a fresher, if you don't have any experience in the IT also, no problem. Being a fresher also, you can attend these classes. Being a fresher also, you can attend these classes. Are you guys clear with my point now? Being a fresher, you can attend these classes. Sir, I am having some gap in the career. Can I attend? Sir, I am having some experience in the IT, can I attend? Yes. Experienced people also can attend this training. You are going to become full stack developer. You are going to become full stack developer with a cloud and DevOps. I'm going to teach you cloud and DevOps also as part of this training, which is required for the Java developers. If anybody having some career gap, if anybody having some career gap, those people also can join to cover gap as experience. So if you are having 3 years or 4 years gap in the career, if you want to show that gap as an experience, technically you should be very strong. You should be able to develop the project on your own. You should be able to develop the project on your own. So in order to develop the project on your own, you should be very, very strong enough in the technology. So in this course, you are going to become technically very strong. You can develop the project on your own. So that guarantee that we are going to provide. That guarantee that we are going to provide. So able to follow me. So if you are a fresher, it's a wonderful opportunity for you, because when you are attending the courses, right, most of the part theoretically they will explain, piece by piece they will explain. Now we are integrating all those things and we are going to develop a project. So project based learning will be available for you. So you technically you are going to become very strong. If you're already working in the IT, in the production support or something, if you want to improve your skills, if you want to make yourself as a complete full stack developer along with the cloud and DevOps, this course is going to helpful for you to become independent developer. So you can think on your own, your thought process will change, your analysis skills will improve, your coding skills will improve, your debugging skills will be improved once you attend this training. If anybody having some gap in the career gap people, so they, whatever the gap that you have, that gap you can show as an experience with the project that we are going to develop. Right. Now, next one, what are the prerequisites available in order to attend this training? Sir, I just completed my graduation. I have not done any training as of now. Am I eligible to attend this training or not? So without any prior knowledge, can we join for this? Without any prior knowledge, can we join for this Java real-time project development or not? Okay, let's understand. So first thing, if you don't know anything about Java, then this course is not for you. So if you want to attend this training, there are some prerequisites available. This is not for the complete fresher. This is not for the complete fresher. Without having any knowledge in the Java, you can't join for this training. So if you want to attend this training, there are some prerequisites available. Sir, what are those prerequisites? First one is core Java. You should be very, very, very strong in the core Java. At least up to Java 17 you should know. Up to Java 17 you should know core Java concepts. Then coming to the next one, you should be very strong in the advanced Java part also, mainly JDBC. What is JDBC? What is servlet? What is MVC architecture? Okay, so you should be having the strong knowledge in core Java. You should be having the strong knowledge in the advanced Java. JSP not required, because that JSP got outdated in the market, guys. Nobody is using JSP in the current market. So core Java, you should be very strong. Advanced Java, you should have the knowledge. We don't use this JDBC servlet directly in the project development. We are using frameworks only to develop the projects in the market. But if you want to understand the frameworks functionality, the frameworks developed based on this JDBC and servlets only. So if you have the knowledge on JDBC and servlet, then you can easily understand the frameworks. Okay, good. The next one, you should have knowledge on databases. You should have the knowledge on databases. You should have the knowledge on SQL database, and you should have knowledge on NoSQL database. One SQL database and one NoSQL database you should know. So SQL database like Oracle, MySQL, Postgres, like that you should have some knowledge on SQL databases. Coming to NoSQL database, currently in the market, MongoDB is having lot of demand. So you should know one SQL database and one NoSQL database. If you don't know MongoDB, no problem. Every month we are conducting MongoDB free workshops. 1 week free workshop we are conducting on the MongoDB. Then you can join for that. So you should have the knowledge on the SQL. NoSQL, MongoDB. If you don't know also, no problem. We will teach you MongoDB for free of cost. Then coming to the web development. Coming to the web development, you should have basic idea. You should have the basic idea on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. If you want to become a full stack developer, so basic idea on what is a HTML, what is a CSS, what is a JavaScript, and what is a Bootstrap, how to work with them. So you should have the knowledge on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. Then, so if you want to do this project development, as I told you, this project technology stack is Java Spring Boot microservices. So you should have knowledge on Spring Boot and microservices. So this project development is based on Spring Boot and microservices. So in this course, I am not going to teach you Spring Boot. In this course, I will use Spring Boot and microservices to develop the project. So Spring Boot microservices is the prerequisite for this training. So if anybody don't know Spring Boot and microservices, so you can attend Spring Boot microservices classes parallelly. Java real-time project, Spring Boot microservices classes you can do parallelly, guys. Spring Boot microservices classes you can do parallelly. Are you guys able to follow me? What are the prerequisites for this training? Core Java is the prerequisite. Advanced Java is the prerequisite. Database knowledge is required. Basic web development knowledge is required. Spring Boot microservices knowledge is required. So if you don't know Spring Boot and microservices, still you have time. You can attend the Spring Boot microservice classes parallelly. If you don't know Boot and microservices, you can attend the Boot and microservice classes parallelly. So yesterday only evening 6 p.m. one Spring Boot microservice batch is started. If you don't know, you can attend that Boot and microservices parallelly. Can you guys message me in the chat box? How many of you know Spring Boot? How many of you don't know Spring Boot? How many of you know Spring Boot? How many of you don't know Spring Boot? Could you please respond in the chat box? I want to understand. How many of you know Spring Boot? How many of you don't know Spring Boot? Quickly. Yep. Abbas knows Spring Boot. Srinivas knows Spring Boot. Bhupati knows Spring Boot. Srinivas Kolluri know only basics of Spring Boot. Sonal will attend Spring Boot parallelly. Kiran waiting for my Spring Boot. Don't know microservices. Namdev don't know microservices. Shivam Agarwal don't know Spring Boot. Come on, guys. Please be active in the session. Please respond for my questions. I want the session to be interactive. Samir Raichur don't know Spring Boot. Yeah, remaining people. Quickly, could you please respond so that I can understand what to teach? Any classes starting from Scratch for the Java. Jagdeep Barik, knowledge in Spring Boot and microservices. Okay. Raju knows Spring Boot. Ravi Shankar having basic idea on the Spring Boot. Tamishit Rajesh know the Spring Boot and microservices. Shraddha Sonar basics of Spring Boot she know. Yeah, come on guys. Remaining people. Only 10-15 people are responding. They are active in the session. 10-15 people are active in the session. What about the remaining? Only 10-15 people are active in the session. What about the remaining people? Sai Ram don't know Spring Boot. Mahesh Fatale knows Spring Boot. Bhushan knows Spring Boot but did not get the chance to work on Spring Boot. Nilesh, yes, I got your message, man. Krishna, new to Java frameworks concept. Anil, I know Spring Boot. Okay, perfect. Okay, fine, guys, good. So the people who knows Spring Boot microservices, excellent. You can continue with this course. The people who don't know this Spring Boot and microservices, parallelly you can learn the Spring Boot microservices. Yesterday only at 6 p.m. one batch started for Spring Boot and microservices. Okay, Spring Boot microservices separate course. Java real-time project is separate course. So to attend this Java real-time project, you should have the knowledge on this Spring Boot and microservices concept. Parallelly, you can attend. I hope I'm clear. Good. So we are here for Java real-time project development training based on this Spring Boot microservices, React, AWS, and DevOps tools. So I explained about who is your trainer, and I explained who can attend this course. I explained what are the prerequisites in order to attend this training. Okay, good. Next one. Next one. Next one. Coming to our course content. So what we are going to learn as part of our training? What we are going to learn as part of our training? So this course is divided into multiple modules, guys. This course is divided into multiple modules. So the first one, software industry details, right? So we are going to understand how many types of companies available in the IT industry and what is the interview process in those IT companies. And we are going to understand types of software projects in the IT industry, what type of projects available, and types of teams available in the IT industry. And we are going to understand what are the roles and responsibilities of software developer. So if you are becoming Java full stack developer, when you are planning for attending the interviews, so what type of companies available in the IT industry and how the interview process will be there in the IT companies, and in the IT industry, how many types of projects available, and what is scratch development project, what is a maintenance project, and what is a migration project. Those things that we are going to understand. And the next one, how many types of teams will be available, what is onshore team, what is offshore team, what is functional team, okay, and development team, testing team, operations team will be available, and what are the roles and responsibilities of each team also we are going to understand. What are the roles and responsibility of each team also we are going to understand. So this is the first module in our course. In the first module, we are going to understand software industry details. Coming to the second module, it is related to Linux operating system. The second module related to Linux operating system. So when we are working in the real time, our real-time tools like Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, all the DevOps tools, our databases, our servers, our applications will be deployed on the Linux machines only. So if you want to become a real-time developer, you should have good knowledge related to Linux operating system. So I'm going to cover some Linux commands also that are required for the Java developers. Then coming to the module 3, in the module 3, we are going to learn AWS cloud services also. Earlier, when we are attending interviews, full stack developer means front-end, back-end database. Okay, so earlier when you are going to attend the interviews, so what is the meaning of a full stack developer? In earlier days, full stack developer means one front-end technology, one back-end technology, and one database. If you know front-end, back-end database, then it is called as full stack developer. But now the definition got changed for the full stack developer. So along with these things, you should have knowledge on the Linux, you should have knowledge on the cloud, you should have knowledge on the DevOps. This is the latest definition for the full stack developer in the market. So in earlier days, full stack developer means front-end, back-end database. But nowadays, full stack developer means along with the front-end, back-end and database, you should have the knowledge on Linux operating system. You should have knowledge on the cloud platform. You should have knowledge on the DevOps tools also. Then only you will be called as a full stack developer. How many of you agree with me? Full stack developer means this is old definition, and this is the latest definition. How many of you agree with me for the latest definition of the full stack developer? When you are attending the interview as a full stack developer, they will ask, do you have any knowledge on the cloud? Do you have any knowledge on the DevOps tools? Can you tell me how to deploy the application in the Linux machine? Can you tell me how to check the log files of the application? My application is running in the Linux. How do you check the logs of the application? How many of you agree with my statement? Full stack developers should know cloud and DevOps also. People are not responsive. People are not active. Still people are with a sleeping mindset. Guys, wake up. It's already 7:15. Be active in the session. Participate in the session. And I request all of you, don't join the classes with your mobile. Don't attend the classes from your bed. Wake up. Take your laptop. Sit on the table and do the class. So your presence is very important. Your state of mind is very important to understand this. Okay. So don't do the classes from your bed. Don't join the classes from your mobile, because I want everybody to respond for my questions. I want session to be very, very interactive. I will be asking couple of questions during the session, and I'm expecting your answers also. If you are giving the answers for my questions, then I will get more interest to deliver the more subject. Are you clear with me? Are you clear with my point, guys? So from today is the very first session. So if you want to attend this training, something that you need to change. So please join the classes every day with your laptop only. When I'm asking the questions, please give the answer. Please respond. Still, if you have any questions, keep your question in the chat box. At the end of the session, you can unmute your mic and you can interact with me. We can debate on your questions at the end. Good? Fine. So nowadays, full stack developer means you should have knowledge on these things also. That is the reason in our project development, I have added the Linux operating system, AWS cloud services, and in the module 4, we are going to learn DevSecOps tools. 20 plus real-time tools we are going to learn. Some tools are called as Java tools. Some tools are called as DevOps tools. So in our course, we are going to learn 20 plus real-time tools, guys. Sir, what are the tools that we are going to learn in our training? In our training, we are going to learn Maven and Gradle. So this Maven and Gradle, we are going to call as build tools. Every Spring Boot project will be developed by using either Maven or Gradle. You should have strong knowledge on the build tools to automate our project to build process. Okay. And the next one, we should have the knowledge on GitHub and Bitbucket. We should have knowledge on the GitHub and Bitbucket. This GitHub and Bitbucket, we are going to call as repository servers. GitHub and Bitbucket, we are going to call as repository servers. Then next one, we should have knowledge on log4j. Okay, that is used to generate the logging in our application. And we should have the knowledge on the ELK stack that is used for log monitoring purpose. Log4j we will use to generate the logging in our application. ELK stack that we are using in order to perform log monitoring in our application. Maven and Gradle we are using as build tools. GitHub and Bitbucket we are using as the repository servers. Log4j we are using to generate the log messages. ELK stack we are using to monitor the log messages. Next one, we need to have the knowledge on JUnit and mocking. JUnit and Mockito that is used to perform unit testing of our application. And the Jacoco tool we should know that is used for code coverage of our application. JUnit and mocking tools we are using to perform unit testing. Jacoco tool we are using to perform code coverage of our application. And the next one, we should have the knowledge on JMeter tool, which is used for performance testing. JMeter tool we are using for the performance testing. Okay, next up, we should have the knowledge on SonarQube tool that is used for project code review. So in the real time, every day we are going to use these tools, guys. So in the real time, we are going to use all these tools. Okay, that's why every developer is going to work on these tools in the real time. I'm going to teach all these tools for you in the course. You don't worry. From the basic level, from zero to hero level, we are going to learn all these tools. 20 plus real-time tools we are going to learn as part of our training. Maven and Gradle, we are going to learn as a build tools. They are used to automate our project build process. GitHub and Bitbucket, we are going to learn as the repository servers. SonarQube, we are going to learn for the code review. Whenever you are doing the coding, there is a chance of doing some mistakes. So to identify developers' mistakes in the project, we are using this SonarQube. SonarQube we are using to perform the project code review. Log4j, which is used to generate the log messages. Okay, then GitHub and Bitbucket. So in the project, multiple developers will be available. All the developers code we should integrate at one place. That's where this GitHub and Bitbucket concept comes into picture. GitHub and Bitbucket we are going to use as the repository servers. Log4j, which is used to generate the log messages of our application. ELK stack that is used for log monitoring purpose. JUnit and Mockito we are using for the project unit testing. Whatever the code you are writing, that code is working as expected or not, that we are going to test by using this JUnit. Jacoco, that is used for project code coverage. JMeter, that is used for project performance testing. How the project is working, if 1,000 people access our project at a time, how it is working, that we will check by using this JMeter. Sonar Cube tool we are using, that is for the project code review. Then next one, DevOps tools. In order to deploy our application, we will use Docker containers. To manage the Docker containers, we will use Kubernetes cluster. To automate our project build and deployment process, we will be using Jenkins CI/CD servers. In order to execute our application, nowadays every application we are executing as the Docker container only. Nowadays every application we are executing as a Docker container only. So for that we need to learn how to work with the Docker, how to work with Kubernetes, how to work with Jenkins. Docker for containerization, Kubernetes is used for orchestration, Docker is used for containerization, Kubernetes we are using for orchestration, Jenkins we are using for automation. Build automation, project build and deployment automation we are going to do by using this Jenkins. Next one, as a developer we should know Kafka, that is used as message broker. As a developer we should know Redis, that is used for cache implementation. And we should know how to work with Swagger, that is used for API documentation. API documentation, and we should know Redis, that is used for cache. Sorry, Redis already know. Then we should know Postman, that is used for API testing. Swagger, that is used for API documentation. Postman, that is used for API testing. And as a developer, you should know Jira, that is used for our project management and bug reporting. You should know Jira, that is used for project management and bug reporting. So these many tools we should know to work in the real time. Maven, Gradle, GitHub and Bitbucket, Log4j, ELK stack, JUnit with mocking, Jacoco with code coverage, JMeter for the performance testing, Sonar Cube for the project code review, Docker for containerization, Kubernetes for orchestration, Jenkins CI/CD for the automation, Kafka we are using as a message broker, Redis we will use that as a cache platform, Swagger we use that as API documentation, Postman we will use for API testing, Jira we use for the project management as well as for the bug reporting. Are you clear with my point now? Are you guys clear with my point now? So in our course, first module is related to software industry details. First module is related to software industry details. Second module is related to Linux operating system. Third module is related to AWS cloud services. Fourth module is related to DevSecOps tools, 20 plus real-time tools available. Then in the real-time tools, what we are going to learn, these all are the modules that we are going to learn in our course. 20 plus real-time tools that we are going to learn as part of our training. 20 plus real-time tools we are going to learn as part of our training. Are you guys clear with my point, guys? Are you guys clear with my point? Could you please confirm in the chat box? What are the tools that we are going to learn? So do we need all these tools or we don't need all these tools for the development? There are so many working people available in this course? Many working people available in this course. Do we need these tools or we don't need these tools? We need all these tools because in the company, every day we are going to work with all these tools, guys. When we are working in the real time, every day we are going to work with all these tools. In the real time, every day we are going to work with all these tools. I hope it is clear for everybody. Then after this, guys, coming to the module 5, we are going to learn 2 mini projects development. To understand the requirement, to understand the documentation part, to understand database design, to understand functional design, system design, we are going to develop 2 mini projects. Okay. So in these 2 mini projects, one mini project we are going to develop with Spring Boot plus data JPA plus web MVC plus Timely. And one mini project we are going to develop with Spring Boot plus data JPA plus REST API. Okay. So in our course, we are going to develop 2 mini projects, guys. One mini project we will be developing with Spring Boot plus data JPA plus web MVC plus Timely UI. Another mini project we are going to develop with Spring Boot plus data JPA plus REST API. Then coming to our module 6, guys. Module 6. In the module 6, we are going to develop one major project. Major project we are going to develop. That major project we are going to build with the e-commerce domain. Okay. So for the major project development, backend, front-end we are going to develop by using React.js. Backend we are going to develop with microservices, Spring Boot. With the help of Spring Boot and microservices, we are going to develop the backend. Database, we are going to use MySQL for the database. And cloud, we are going to use AWS Cloud. Okay. And DevOps, we are going to use some tools like Docker, Git Maven plus Git plus Docker plus Kubernetes plus Jenkins. Okay, SonarQube. So we are going to use the AWS cloud platform, and these are the DevOps tools. Already we are learning the tools here. We are going to use those tools in order to deploy our project. And so as we are learning, as we are going to develop the front end by using React.js, if you people don't know React.js, no problem. We are going to teach you the React.js as a bootcamp. 1 month classes will be there on the React.js for you. So 1 month classes will be there on the React.js for you. So if you join this Java real-time project, you will be getting React.js for free of cost. If you join for this Java real-time project, we are giving React.js classes for free of cost because you should have the knowledge on the React for the front-end development. Okay, currently React.js is having lot of demand in the market. This React.js classes will be taken care by another trainer. Okay, only this React classes will be taken care by another trainer. Yesterday only at 6 p.m. one React batch is started. If you guys want, you can attend that React class also. So React is free for you. If you join this Java real-time project, the React classes are free of cost. So how many of you know the React.js already? Can you respond in the chat box? How many of you know the React.js already? Can you respond in the chat box? Come on. How many of you know the React.js already? Yeah, many people don't know React.js. Don't worry. React is also part of our syllabus. React classes will happen for you. You can attend the React classes for free of cost. This is wonderful opportunity for you. You are joining for Java project and we are teaching React also as part of this. Okay, so if you join for this Java project, you are going to get the React also. You no need to pay fees for the React. It is included in our course only, not Angular guys. We are providing React. So earlier we provided Angular, but currently in the market, Java with React combination having good demand. So that's why we removed Angular from the project syllabus. We added React. Okay, then coming to our last module in our course. In our course, our last module is interview guidance. So we are going to help you with your resume preparation and we are going to provide you topic-wise interview questions for you and regular technical mock interviews we are going to conduct. Monthly one mock interview we are going to take for you. Regular technical mock interviews we are going to conduct for you. And we are going to provide placement assistance also for you. If you want to go as a fresher, then I can refer your resume to our client companies. So placement assistance also will be there for you if you are trying as a fresher. If you want to try as an experienced developer, I will help you with your resume preparation, LinkedIn profile creation and all that stuff. So this is the syllabus of our course. This is the syllabus of our course. Are you guys able to follow me? Are you guys able to follow me? First module is related to software industry details. Second module is related to Linux operating system. Third module is related to AWS cloud services. Fourth module is related to DevSecOps tools in the market. 20 plus real-time tools we are going to learn. All these tools we are going to learn from the scratch. Okay, 2 mini projects we are going to develop. One project we are going to develop based on these technologies. Second project we are going to develop as a REST API. And the next one, we are going to develop one major project that is based on e-commerce domain. So the front end we will do with React, backend with Boot microservices, database, MySQL, cloud, the AWS cloud platform we are going to learn for the infrastructure. DevOps tools we are using to automate our project build and deployment. React.js bootcamp will be there. So if you want to attend React from today, you can do that. At 6 p.m. React classes are available. So how to access that Zoom link for the React.js? Okay. So if you go to Ashok IT website, in the training schedule, you can find out that Spring Boot Microservices 6 p.m. batch. Spring Boot Microservice is a paid course, guys. Yesterday it started at 6 p.m. React.js is available at 6 p.m. This is a free batch for you. If you click on join Zoom, then you will get the Zoom link for the React.js. Spring Boot Microservices join Zoom. Zoom link is available. So evening 6 p.m. Spring Boot available, React available. If you want to learn Spring Boot microservices, that is a paid course. React.js, that is a free course for you. Only for the Java project people, React we are giving free of cost. Kabir sir is going to take those classes for you. Are you clear with my point? So you can access the Zoom links for the React and Spring Boot from our website. Open ashokit.in. So training schedule. In the training schedule, you can find out what are the current batches are running. So you can click on the join Zoom and you can attend those classes. For React, no need to pay. Spring Boot, it is a separate batch. Payment will be there for that. But unfortunately, both are at 6 p.m. You can attend only one at a time. If you don't know Spring Boot, then first attend the Spring Boot. React you can attend in the future batch also. If you already know Spring Boot, then you can attend the React from today. Am I clear? Am I clear? Yes, very good. Now coming to, I hope you are clear with what is the syllabus, what is our course content.
Hi, Mr. Ashok. Can you specify that how many days it will take each module?
Sir, I will come to the details of that, sir.
Yeah.
Hi, hi, sir. Can you list down the AWS cloud services? Means how many services you are going to cover?
In the AWS cloud, we are going to cover 7 services here. We are going to learn what is EC2, how to create virtual machines in the EC2. We are going to learn S3 service. We are going to learn RDS. We are going to learn IAM. We are going to learn Bean Stack. We are going to learn Lambdas. We are going to learn Route 53. These are the 7 services that I'm going to explain from the AWS cloud. EC2 service, S3, RDS, IAM, Beanstalk, Lambdas, Route 53.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. So this is a full meals for you guys. Not only just Java project, you are learning Linux, you are learning cloud, you are learning DevOps, you are developing the projects, and you are learning the React JS also. So this Java project is a full meals for you, and this Java project is going to be your last course as a student. After this, you need to attend the interviews. There is nothing to learn. Whatever current industry is expecting from the Java developers, everything we are covering as part of this training. Have you seen any course like this with this much syllabus? Have you seen any course like this with this much syllabus? Everything in one course. That's the reason I'm saying it is a full meals. You got my point? Perfect. Now, so I hope you are clear with what we are trying to understand. So trainer details clear for you. Who can attend this course, that is clear for you. And current market trend. Full stack developer means old definition is different, new definition is different. In olden days, full stack developer means only front end back end database. In the current market, full stack developer means front end back end database, Linux, cloud, and DevOps. So that is the reason I included all these 3 things also in our course. Prerequisite, core Java, okay, advanced Java, database, web development, boot and microservices. Parallelly, you can learn the boot and microservices. Coming to our course content. So first module, software industry details. Second module, Linux operating system. Third module, AWS cloud services. Fourth module, DevSecOps tools. 20 plus tools we are going to cover. And coming to module 5, mini projects, 2 mini projects we are going to develop. Module 6, major project we are going to develop with this technology stack. React classes we are going to provide for you. Evening 6 p.m. Yesterday only batch is started for React. From today you can attend for that. If you enroll for this Java project, React course you will get as a bonus. And we are going to help you with your interview guidance, interview questions and all that stuff. Able to follow me? Right. Next one, coming to our course details, guys. Coming to our course details. Okay. So this course name, as I mentioned, this is our Java real-time project development training, and the batch code, it is 31 JRTP. So when you are doing any payment or when you are asking when you are talking to the admin team, you need to say that you are belongs to 31 JRTP batch, and this class timings every day. The class timings every day, 6:30 a.m. to 8 a.m. IST. So the perfect timing for working people, perfect timing for US people also. So morning 6:30 a.m. to 8 a.m. IST, daily classes will be available, and our classes will happen Monday to Saturday. Weekly 6 days classes will be available, and the course duration, it will be 3 months to 4 months of time. The course duration, it is going to be 3 months to 4 months of time. Okay. And the course start date, this course is starting from today. The course is starting from today. And coming to the course fees, two options available for the payment, guys. So if you want to go with live classes plus soft copy notes, 9,000 will be available. If you want live classes, soft copy notes plus backup videos also, 3,000 rupees extra fees will be available. 12,000 rupees is the fees. If you want backup videos also, just 3,000 rupees extra we are charging for the videos access. So videos we are going to store in the cloud platform. So we need to pay the amount for the cloud. That's why 3,000 rupees extra we are charging for the backup videos. If you don't want backup videos, the price is only 9,000. If you want backup videos, the price is 12,000. If you are from Ashok IT Java full stack development, so you no need to pay. So already you have taken the full stack admission for the Java full stack, 30,000 is the fee structure. If you have taken the admission in the full stack development, you no need to pay separately for the Java project development, because Java project development is part of our full stack development training only. If anybody want to join only for this Java project development, so this is the fee structure for this. Now you just understand, in the market, people will charge for Java project development 6,000 rupees. For React JS, they will charge 8,000 rupees. For Linux and AWS, they will charge 8,000 rupees. So total, how much is the fee structure in the market for these courses, guys? 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 6, 20, 16 plus 6. So 22,000 fee structure is available in the market to do these courses. 22,000 rupees fee structure, we reduce it to 9,000 only. So this is the offer that you are getting if you join for this course. If you want to learn only project, 6,000 price. If you want to learn only React, 8,000 price. If you want to learn Linux and AWS, again 8,000 price. If you combine all these things, total 22,000 rupees you need to pay in the other institute. But here, by combining all these three, I'm giving for only 9,000 rupees. In this, I'm covering React also, and I'm covering projects development, DevOps tools we are covering, AWS cloud we are covering, Linux operating system also we are covering. So that this is the best deal for you if you want to upskill yourself as a Java real-time project developer. React.js videos also you are going to get. If you are in the videos plan, you are going to get the React.js backup videos also. If you go with the 9,000 plan, React videos you can't get. If you go with the 12,000 plan, React.js videos also you are going to get. Are you guys clear with my point now? You understand the course details. So course name is Java Real-Time Project Development. This course code is 31 JRTP. The class timings daily 6:30 a.m. to 8 a.m. IST. Monday to Saturday the classes will be available. Course duration 3 to 4 months of time it is going to take, guys. Course is starting from today only. The course fees 9,000 for live classes with soft copy material. Plan to 12,000 rupees price is there. Backup videos after course completion. Next 1 year validity will be available for the videos. For Ashok IT Java full stack people, no payment. So this is part of the full stack. Then, so if you compare the price, sir, why the price is 9,000 here? So outside, if you compare in any institute for the same syllabus, if you join in edtech companies, so if you see Simply Learn, Edureka, Great Learning, okay, Scalar, if you go to that institute for the same syllabus, they are charging 1.5 lakh rupees. Did anybody have any experience with edtech companies, guys? Did anybody attended any class in the edtech company like Scalar, Simply Learn, Great Learning, Upgrade? For the same syllabus, they are charging more than 1 lakh. Okay, so in the edtech company, for the same syllabus, they're charging more than 1 lakh. So in the normal institutes like Ashok IT, if you join for a course with this syllabus, for project development 6,000, for React.js 8,000, for cloud 8,000. So total individually, if you join these courses now, you need to pay 22,000. Individually, if you join these courses, then you need to pay 22,000. In our institute also, React.js course price 8,000, Linux AWS price 8,000, DevOps price 12,000. So if you join for the project, everything you are getting for the 9,000. And this is the last batch for the 9,000. For the next JRTP, we are increasing the price to 12,000. So this is the last batch with the 9,000 price. So the next batch price is going to increase to 12,000 for the Java real-time project.
Yeah, hi Ashok.
1 minute, sir. Let me complete, then I will take your questions.
Okay.
Okay, good. I hope you are clear with the pricing model, guys. So what is the course structure fees now? 9,000 rupees for the live classes. If you want backup videos, the price is 12,000. Individually, if you join the courses, 22,000. If you join as the project batch, then you will get for 9,000 only. Coming to what are the benefits of attending these classes? So this training, the latest technologies we are using in order to develop the project. So 100% practical training will be available. No theory, nothing. Everything is project based. Everything is practical. So we are going to, in our every project development, we are going to use all the real-time tools that we are learning and real-time scenarios. So in my experience, I worked with different companies. I worked with different projects. So in my 12 years of experience, I worked with 4 different companies. I worked on multiple projects. So all my experience I'm going to share with you as part of this project course. Real-time tools, real-time scenarios we are going to use, and every day doubts clarification will be there for you. Last 10 to 15 minutes I will spend only for doubts clarification. 1 hour 15 minutes I will take the session. Last 15 minutes we will spend for doubts clarifications, and we are going to create one group, community group also will be available. So after the class is completed, if you get any doubt, okay, then you will be posting those doubts in the community group. It can be a WhatsApp group or Telegram group. I will also be part of that group for clarifying your doubts. And for every student, we are going to conduct the mock interviews. Okay, for every student, we are going to conduct the mock interviews for the skill assessment. And as part of this course, we are going to provide placement assistance also for you. Placement assistance in the sense, we will tell you in which company interviews are available. We will check your skill. If you are good in the mock interview, if your skill set is good, then we will suggest we will refer your resume to our client companies for the placement. Based on the mock interview feedback, we will decide whether to refer your profile or not. If you are good in the mock interview, if your technical skills are good, then you will get the placement assistance from Ashok IT. So we are having almost 200 companies as clients. Our HR team, our placement team is working with 200 companies. Whenever there is an opening in that company, we will share our students' resumes with the company. So we don't share all the student resumes. We will take the mock interviews, only eligible candidates' resumes we will share with the companies. Depends on your communication, depends on your technical skills. We will shortlist your profile and we will refer your resume to our client companies. So that kind of placement assistance we are going to provide for eligible candidates. Are you guys able to follow me? So 100% practical training will be there. So in every development, in every project, we will be using the real-time tools and scenarios. Every day, doubts clarification will be there for you. Community group we are going to maintain. Mock interviews we are going to conduct, and placement assistance also will be there for you. And every day to get the Java related interview questions, Java related tips and tricks. Recently I started one WhatsApp channel. Okay, so you can follow this WhatsApp channel. If you see the content in the channel, every day some important information we are posting related to Java. It can be Java tip, Java interview question, Java update, whatever it is. So if you want to get such kind of updates from me related to Java, then you can follow that channel. And coming to the enrollment process, okay, you no need to do the payment immediately. So today is the first session, introduction session, I can say demo session completed. And from tomorrow, our regular topics are going to start. You can attend 4 classes for free of cost. Okay, today class is completed. Another 4 classes you can attend for free of cost. If you like my teaching, if you like the syllabus, if you like this course, after 4 classes, you can take the enrollment process. After 4 classes, I will tell you how to enroll for the course. Are you clear with my point? You don't need to do the payment immediately. Okay, you can attend the 4 classes for free of cost. After the 4 classes, you can enroll for this course. I hope this is clear for everybody. And all of you following that Java WhatsApp channel? All of you following that Java WhatsApp channel? Channel link I have given in the chat box. Yeah. So the people who knows already Spring Boot can attend the React classes from today. Only 1 class completed. People who don't know Spring Boot, please join for the Spring Boot course. Without Spring Boot, you can't attend this project. Without Spring Boot, you can't attend this project. Very good. Thank you guys. So with this, I'm done for today. We'll meet again tomorrow with the same Zoom link. You can attend the next 4 classes, morning 6:30 a.m. Now it is time for doubts clarification. Okay, so one by one, you can ask your questions, then I'm happy to answer. Yeah, guys, please go ahead.
Yeah, hi sir, this is Swami. I have one query regarding microservices.
Yeah, please.
How much in-depth knowledge we can get, sir, in microservices while doing the projects?
So we are going to implement our major project with the microservices architecture by using service registry, admin server, Jenkins server, FIN client, config server. Okay, so all the microservices topics we are going to implement. So you can keep, once this project is completed now, you can keep 3 years experience Java developer in your resume. So you can keep 3 years experience in the microservices development. Not only just developing the microservices, we are going to see how to deploy those microservices in the cloud by using DevOps tools. So it's complete practical training. You are equal to 3 years experience developer. That much knowledge you are going to get.
And regarding our design patterns, sir, how about we get information?
Sir, as part of the project development, we are going to use API gateway as a design pattern. We will be using circuit breaker design pattern. We are using cache design pattern. I will tell you. So 5 to 6 patterns we are going to implement in our course.
Okay. And regarding experience-wise, sir, can we get 5+ years of experience? Can we get interview calls from your side?
Yes, sir.
Do
You
get
can.
any?
You can get it.
Sir,
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
hi sir, this is Abbas.
Yeah, hi.
Sir, nowadays fake document not manageable. Sir, I clear many interviews, but not due to fake document not get offer. Sir, and I have for this I have a 5.8 years of gap, but for
Okay.
the actual 2.8 years of experience, I am not getting any call, sir. So the situation.
I will check your resume, sir. I will suggest you some changes in your resume. Minimum 3+ years experience you need to keep. So below 3 years experience calls are not coming in the market.
Yes, sir. So like if I like my actual is 2.8, but if I go like 4 or then the fake documents I cannot manage. So don't
Sure,
know
sir.
why.
We'll talk on this. We'll talk on this.
So but for 2.8 I'm not getting calls. So when I get to talk to you.
Already, are you working somewhere?
No, sir. I have a 1.5 years of gap around.
Okay, sir. I will suggest you,
Yeah.
sir. I will suggest you. So you need to cover that gap as experience and you need to apply for the jobs.
Okay, sir, but not like I'm not manageable. It's not manageable for
Yeah, sure.
fake. Like
Yeah, Abbas, I understand your point. You can message me. So this is my WhatsApp number. Okay.
Okay,
So if anybody
okay.
having any personal questions regarding career counseling, career guidance, so this is my number. You can message me on the WhatsApp so that we can discuss.
So good morning, sir. This is
Yeah.
Omkar.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, good morning, Omkar.
Sir, I used to work as a guest lecturer, sir, for the BSc students. Now I want to come into IT sector.
Mhm,
I've done a post graduation in computer science in the year 2022 December.
mhm.
Sir, can I get a job as a fresher itself, or I need to cover the career gap, sir?
So first we will try as a fresher. So 1 or 2 months we will try as a fresher after this course. If you are getting the calls, if you are good technically, then we will refer your resume. If you are not getting the calls as a fresher,
Many people are telling you cannot get a job as a fresher. So
yeah, that is what, sir. First we will give you a try as a fresher. So we'll see 1 or 2 months. So if you are not getting as a fresher, then whatever the gap is there, you need to show that gap as a experience.
okay, sir. Sir, are there any chances, sir, for freshers itself?
Yes, sir. There are some level 3 companies who don't check your educational qualification and all. They will check only your skills.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
I mean, like only in the startups, sir.
Startups. Correct.
Okay, sir.
Not the big MNC companies, only
No, not
startups
the
that
big
you
ones,
can
sir.
apply.
I mean, like very startup level companies, sir.
Yes, sir. Correct. So in the startup companies now, they will look for the candidates who can work for less salary with more technical skills.
Oh, okay. So, but there is no issue with the career gap as a fresher, sir. I
No,
mean, for
no problem.
level.
No problem.
Okay, sir. Sir, and only for the project side, how much they are going to charge, sir?
Where?
I mean, for the project, sir, in Ashok IT.
Sir, this is 9,000 rupees course for the project only.
Only name. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Anyone else having any other questions for me?
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Yeah, hi.
Sir, sir, I have basic knowledge for a Spring Boot, but don't know microservices. And I'm perfect student for join this batch. You cover the
Sir,
basic microservices.
your voice is breaking, sir. Can you
Hello.
please come again?
Hi, sir. I'm a basic knowledge for the microservices. Sorry, Spring Boot, and then don't idea for the microservices. Then join this batch.
Yeah, you can join, sir. If you have knowledge on the Spring Boot, then you can join.
Sir, but don't idea for the microservices. You can cover these microservices in this batch.
Right.
Hello, sir. When your next SBMS batch is prepared?
Sir, my current batch is not there, sir. Another trainer, Shekhar sir, batch at evening 6 p.m.
No, sir. What about you, sir?
My batch is currently not available, sir.
But in future you are taken, na, sir.
Sorry?
In future you are taken, na, sir.
Yes, sir. I will update on that, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, actually, I'm in 8:30 batch, sir. So can I change to this batch, sir?
No, sir. Currently, because already 1 month class is completed there, na?
Yeah, not able to attend that classes, sir, because of timing.
Okay. Okay, sir. No problem. Good. Any other questions for anybody?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Hi, sir. My name is Raghavendra.
Yeah, hi.
Good morning, sir.
Yep.
Yeah, hi, sir. I am from US. Just a recent graduate from the university.
Okay.
I was here applying my jobs based on like 1 year of experience, but I'm not getting any calls. It's been around like 400 applications till now as a 1 year experienced guy, and like I have attended a JRTP 21 course
Okay.
while studying in my BTech, sir.
Okay.
Uh, yeah, like I was stuck here
Sure,
Um,
Raghavendra, you can message me on this number. We can discuss on that issue.
yes, 1 second, sir. I'll take a screenshot.
Guys, this is my WhatsApp number. Any personal questions that you guys are having, you can message me on this.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Sir, is there any Spring Boot batch going to start?
Spring Boot batch. Yeah, I told you Shekhar sir batch started yesterday at 6 p.m. My Spring Boot batch currently not scheduled.
So, sir, any plan you are going to start?
You will get update in the group. Okay, when
Okay,
my batch is scheduled, you will get an update.
okay.
Hello, good morning, Ashok sir. Krishna here.
Yeah, hi, good morning.
Actually, I want to know, is there any upcoming batch for full stack development? Because I'm totally new to Java.
Yes, sir. We have several full stack batches already. You can check in the training schedule. Here, Java full stack developer. If you see, 14th it started. Another full stack batch is there. Next full stack batch is coming on 23rd July. Next Wednesday, one more full stack batch at morning 7 a.m.
Okay, okay. So you will not take this batch, or you have a different batch?
Sir, I will take only frameworks, not core Java.
Okay, okay, okay. So in this course, for core Java will take by another sir, and after that you will start with the microservices.
Right.
Or
So
you have,
if you want to go for the full stack development, first you need to come core Java, advanced Java, then you will come for the Spring Boot.
Okay, okay.
This course is for people. This project.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
1 minute. This course is for the people who already completed their core Java, advanced Java, databases, web development. So the people who completed all these 4 parts, they are eligible for this course.
Okay, okay.
You got my
And the
point?
fee structure, and the fee structure you have mentioned for the full stack development, that is 30K. That is same, na? You're talking about.
Right, 30,000. In the 30,000, you will get this course also. No need to pay for
Okay.
separately for this course.
Okay, and how much duration for this all course?
Complete full stack will take 8 months of time, sir.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, hi, good morning.
My name is Mahesh, sir. Hello, sir. Is there any JRTP batch is available in offline mode?
Currently, offline is not there, sir. Only online we are having.
Okay, sir.
So this is my WhatsApp number, guys. If anybody having any personal questions, career guidance, if you want, you can talk to me.
Hi, so this is Ram.
Yeah,
For
hi.
placement, for experienced candidates, how you can provide placement assistance? Can you refer to companies or?
Sir, for experienced people, we will help you with the resume preparation and all. For experienced people, you will get the calls from the simple. One thing that you need to understand, when a software company need fresher, they will approach institute, right?
Yeah.
When the company requires experienced developer, they don't approach institute because in the institute only freshers will be there. So when company requires experienced developer, they will find the candidates in the Naukri and LinkedIn. We will help you to apply for the jobs, how to optimize your resume, how to create your profile in LinkedIn, that stuff. For experienced people, references we can't provide.
Currently, I have 2 years experience.
Yeah. So after this course is completed, you can keep that experience, whatever the technologies that you are learning, then you can apply for the jobs in the Naukri and LinkedIn. We will help you for that process.
No, I'm asking, can I get calls now or not for 2 years experience?
For 2 years, sir, as of my knowledge, for 2 years, less number of opportunities. If it is 3 years, then you will get the calls.
Yeah, okay.
So you can give it a try.
Yeah.
Right. So anyhow, the next 4 months, you can focus on this latest technology stack. You develop the projects on your own. After 4 months, 5 months, then you can start applying by keeping overall 3 years experience. You got my point, huh?
Yes.
Good. Fine, guys. Thank you.